Obviously, it's very frustrating if you lose your Snapchat streak. Sometimes we miss sending snaps within the time frame, or maybe your friend missed it, and in this condition your streak of hundreds or thousands of days gets vanished. But after watching this video, you will be able to restore your lost Snapchat streak. So with that being said, I'm Divyan Sharon, and now without wasting any more time, let's get started. So for this, you will have to visit the Snapchat support forum from the link given below in the video's description. Then you have to select I lost my snap streak. Now a new page will be opened. Here you will also have to select the same option, I lost my snap streak. Below that, you have to select how do I restore my snap streak option. Then you will see a form below which you will need to fill. The first thing is your Snapchat username along with registered email ID and mobile number. If you are not sure about your registered email ID or mobile number, then you can go to a Snapchat application and under account section you can find it. Also enter mobile device name and Snapchat username of your friend from whom you lost your snap streaks. After this, you have to enter the date from when the streaks is gone along with the snap streaks count with your friend. If you are not sure about snap streaks, then just enter an approx numbers. In the last option, select no and submit the form. And within 24 hours, you will have your streaks back on your Snapchat account. Please let us know in the comment section if your snap streaks are restored by this tutorial. Also, Snapchat is planning to bring a direct option in the application to restore snap streaks, but for this, the user will need to pay a certain amount which is not disclosed yet. Also, please don't give fake information in that support form for bringing fake streaks, because after your form submission, Snapchat team review the details and then only they give back the snap streaks. Repetitive use of this form or wrong entries can lead to account getting disabled, so please take care of this. So this is how you can restore lost snap streaks within a day. So if you guys are having any question about the same, then please make sure to drop a comment in the comment section. And if you guys like the video, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'm Divyan Sharan, and I will catch you in the next one.